Hi guys, hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing great. So guys, today I thought of vlogging and I show you guys how this place is in Ramadan anyway. So at this moment we are in the season of Ramadan, so most shops are closed, the streets are so empty, and some shops work with specific opening hours, and then sometimes it's so restricted not to eat in the roadway, but so far so good. It's really cool. So today I wanted to do something good. I wanted to cook something, and I thought of like, let me do a vlog, just to at least show you guys around also. So I'm heading to Almira. Almira is like it's a mall. Not a mall. God, Jesus, it's a supermarket. It's just across the road. I'm walking towards that place. I decided not to take an Uber or a taxi. I decided to walk to that place, at least to exercise a little bit. Hii mambo ya kuchukua magari all the time, it really fucks us a lot. So it's nice at least to do a little bit of exercise, and at the end of the day I get healthy. But yeah, hey, so guys, let's go to Almira. So you can see shops are so closed. The road is so empty, guys. So empty. So empty, guys. See, nobody's there. The streets are so empty. Oh! I almost fell down. I got my mask on. Natembea. Man, it's so hot, but it's not so hot, Sana. No? Thank you. Huh? No. I've already reached. I'm just going over there. So that was a taxi. I was asking if he wants to drop me. Yes, I'm almost there. I'm heading over there. I don't know if you can see it nicely. There's oh my god. I wish I had a cameraman at least. I can take more cute videos, you know? Me walking around doing blah blah blah. But yeah. So guys, before somebody goes into any place due to COVID, somebody must show. We have an app here in Qatar called Etras. In Etras, it shows if you have COVID or you don't have COVID. So lazima, yani ukiingia kwa any place lazima tuonyeshana Etras. It's a must to show it. So it's an application in your phone. Yeah, and definitely I'll have to show. And I don't know if it's open right now. Oh yeah, thank God it's open, but they are soon going to close it for Iftar around I guess 5. Yeah, around 5. So as they go, because people are still fasting, and they open around 6. So kitu 5 kote kunafungwa, every place closes. They go, they do iftar, open their fast, and then they come back at 7 or 8. So guys, I've reached. I'm inside the mall, and the meal I want to prepare is called it's called chicken Alfredo. It's like a spaghetti with cream, and then I'll put chicken in it. Yeah, so I had thoughts of like making spaghetti, lakini nagoya kutumia spaghetti. So I was thinking of doing macaroni. I don't know. Nimechanganyikiwa. This is the type of spaghetti I wanted. 16 minutes. Naogopa kununua hii. Maybe take this one. I'll use this macaroni style. And also I'm working on a budget, so guys, I'm done with my shopping. Now let's go and cook. You know guys, I have like put myself on the line thinking I'll be able to cook this thing. Okay, I want to try it out, so it's something new, and if I mess it up, guys, don't judge me. I just thought of doing something crazy. So yeah, let's go and try and cook this chicken Alfredo. Hola. So guys, I am about to start to cook. First of all, let me disclaim that I'm not like a chef. So all these, I'm just giving myself my first try. So don't judge me on my comment section. I'm just giving my own twists to whatever okay guys? So guys, I found this chicken breasts, and I prefer to use this ones. Anyone you find, it's okay. So take a chopping board, then take your chicken breast and try and cut it in half, and then try and put them in stripes. Cut them in stripes. After, you can marinate them with any choice of spices you have. For me, I used pepper and some other spices and salt. And I love putting lemon because it gives a nice twist with it, and it gives a nice taste. After I finished, I wrapped it. Don't mind my wrap. I put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Yay! Yeah, that's my girl. Yeah. So after I used the sophoria in our language, but it's a cooking pot. And my meat was there already after 30 minutes. Yeah, so at this time I kept a butter. I used butter. Then I kept my meat and let it simmer for like around 30 minutes. So then the other side I had boiling water for my macaroni. I chose this one. After boiling, I on the other side, my meat was almost getting ready. I took my mushrooms, I cut them into half. My meat was all done. After I removed it, I kept aside. Same pot. I kept my garlic and the onions. After my onions turned brown, I kept the mushroom in. After that, I took the meat. You can see my spaghetti was all done. After you can see my mushroom was all done, I kept my meat. I let them simmer for a while. Afterwards, I kept the cream, and then I kept the spaghetti together. And also I kept maggie inside. I never kept salt because the spaghetti had some salt, meat had salt, and I kept maggie. So I really never added salt because I didn't want it to be so salty. Yeah guys, that's it.
Love, 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 love. Gonna make me go crazy. Suda. Yeah, 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 yeah. kukuona kwenye lockdown, yeah. Ningependa kuwa around you baby, tungekuwa tukiwasha washa, ningekuwa nikimashup kwenye picha weka hashtag.
Actually, I thought it will be a hell of a disclaimer, like, damn guys, I missed my recipe. But guys, I managed to do something good. I think it's tasty, I think it's nice. But guys, I was just trying. Please, msinikule kwa comment section. But guys, this thing is so sweet. Guys, you should try it. I think it's some similar of chicken Alfredo, lakini kizungu kumbe si kenye nimepika. Mimi nimepika Kiswahili version, so kama utaweza kupika hiyo kizungu version, it's as you can see, I did my best. I love cooking, and I think I'll be doing this, guys. I think I'll be doing my opashes. I'll do my opashes up and down. So guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. For the new subscribers, welcome back to Hilda Ray channel, and I love you so much for giving me the support, Manze. There's nothing else I can say but thank you. I won't let you down, guys. Manze, this Ramadan, it is like with the lockdown, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much. If you make this recipe, all the best. Hope you love it, and mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you guys. Peace out.